Can your floor hold up to this? Hi, I'm Clarice and this is Johnny. We're here at the flooring corner at Georgia Carpet.
Yeah, and if your floor cannot stand up to a bowling ball, we've got a product for you.
Most homeowners today have really busy lifestyles. Kids running through the house, pets running through the house, scratching up the floor, pet stains, moving furniture across the floor, and then it scratches. You want a really great floor to stand up to that.
Yeah, we've got a product that's going to stand up to everyday life.
We'd like to introduce you to Tarkett ProGen, a rigid core luxury vinyl product. It has a 20 mil wear layer and an overall thickness of 5 millimeters.
Yeah, so we have field tested several products here today with the bowling ball test. First, let's look at the porcelain tiles. You know porcelain is fired at a higher temperature than regular ceramic. It is the hardest tile that you can have. Bowling ball absolutely destroyed it. We're still picking up pieces off the ground.
We also tested it on leading brands of engineered hardwood in 2 different styles, and you can clearly see that they both have indentations.
And last, we tried it out on the Tarkett ProGen, and as you can see, absolutely no dents, no dings, no scratches.
Because ProGen is durable, waterproof, dimensionally stable, and easy to install, it can be used in any room, including all-season rooms with extreme temperature changes, because it comes with an attached closed-cell pad with waterproof properties on the top and the bottom. ProGen also has a 15-year light commercial warranty and is available in 31 high-definition wood and stone designs in various lengths and widths.
And the Tarkett ProGen is available here at Georgia Carpet Industries.
If you have any questions or would like to purchase Tarkett ProGen, visit us at georgiacarpet.com.